Hey guys, welcome back to CiSuite. My name is Crystal, and I know I have not spoken to you guys in probably about 3 months, but I am back and I am really excited to do today's video. So first of all, I got a new toy and I cannot wait to show you guys my new toy. And then I went to Hobby Lobby to pick up some accessories for that new toy. I'll do a haul for that after I show you what the toy is. And then I also got a new desk that I need to put together. So I'm really excited for you guys to join me today. And I'm just going to jump right in and show you what I got because I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So this is my new toy, you guys. I got a new sewing machine. It is the Brother ST150 HDH if you're interested in picking up one like this. But I love it so far. It's my first sewing machine, so I have a lot to learn. If you are a sewist or have any tips and tricks or accessories that I need to pick up for this, put them down in the comment section because like I said, this is my first one. I have a lot to learn, but I have some really cool ideas that I want to show you guys this year. So decided I'd go ahead and pick me up a new sewing machine and get to learning how to do all that. I won't go too deep into detail unless you guys are interested. Just let me know and I'll be happy to kind of go into more detail about my sewing machine. But this is my new toy and I cannot wait to play with it. Okay, so here are the bags from Hobby Lobby. I'll start off with this one. I got some fabric. This is just some all white polyester and cotton blend fabric. I'll show you guys in a future video what I'm going to use this little piece for. And then I got some more fabric. This one is like a fluffy, fuzzy white fabric. I got a lot of fabric in this haul, you guys. I got this one. I thought this pattern was so cute. So it has like these mandalas and then this black and white pattern on the back. I just thought this was so cute. So I got this one. And then I got another fabric. This one is like a cream color and then it has these black hearts all over it. And then the last fabric that I got was this gray one. And it's another fuzzier type of fabric. So I'm really excited to play with these. You guys will have to keep watching future videos so that you'll see what I make with those because it's going to be, you're going to love it. Okay, so besides the fabric, I got a pair of fabric scissors. This was a pretty inexpensive pair of scissors, so we'll see how they work and I may have to upgrade, but just pick these up for now. And then I got a magnetic seam guide for my sewing machine to help me sew a straight line. Like I said, I am new to sewing, so this will be really helpful for me. I did actually get this from Joann. It's the only thing I got from Joann, so I just threw it in my Hobby Lobby bag, but I actually got this from Joann. And then also from Hobby Lobby, I got this storage container for my thread. So I think it holds, it doesn't say, 21 spools. So this is a good starter for me. And then I got this chalk wheel. So this is going to help me with not measuring out my fabric, but putting a line of where I need to cut basically. So I got this. Really interested to try this one out. And then I got 2 spools of thread, just a basic black and a white. And then I got some magnetic snaps to go on my fabric. If you have any guesses of what I might be making, make sure you leave it down below. But yeah, got some magnetic snaps. And then the last thing I got is some black spray paint. So I was telling you guys earlier that I had to put together my desk, and the desk actually came with gold legs, but I want them to be black. So we're going to use the spray paint and paint them black. So yeah, that's all I picked up from Hobby Lobby and the one thing I got from Joann. And now I'm going to actually go upstairs to the garage and work on the desk legs that I was just telling you guys about. I'm going to try to get some footage of that, but it is pretty dark. It's the garage, so I will go up there, spray paint those legs. I'm going to let it dry overnight, and then I'll come back tomorrow and we will put it all together. Also, tomorrow, I realized that I never really did an introduction video, like telling you guys who I am, what I do, what is CiSuite. So while I'm putting my desk together tomorrow, I'm going to kind of go over that too. So, you'll be ready to join the family once you know more about me. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Sunday, guys. So it is the next day. As you see, we just took my old desk out of here, and my office is now in complete disarray. So I am going to head upstairs to the garage and get the desk and bring it down here, and then we'll start putting it together. Alright, guys, so the first question I wanted to answer was, what is CiSuite? So CiSuite is a stationery company geared towards keeping the girl boss organized, motivated, and empowered. So by girl boss, I don't mean necessarily that you own your own business. You could be the girl boss of your career, the girl boss of your education, the girl boss of your household, but it's really just keeping women organized, motivated, and empowered. And then I also wanted to talk about how I came up with the name CiSuite. So if you work in corporate America, you know that the C-suite, meaning like the CEO, the CIO, the CHRO, all of those, right, are usually held by men. And so I created a C-suite that is just for women. So that is kind of the idea behind C-suite, the services that we provide. I like to create things that are different and not available at other stationery companies. I'm definitely not for the minimalist. So if you like the black and white, the very simple designs, that's definitely not me. I'm definitely into the glitter, the bling, the colors, and all of that. So if you like that kind of stationery, then you might want to check out CiSuite. We might have something that you actually might enjoy. I'm not making much progress on putting this together while I talk, so I'm going to pause for a minute, put this together a little bit, and then I'll come answer another question. We are almost done putting the desk together, so I wanted to hop on here really quick and answer another question, and that is, when did I start CiSuite? So I actually started in June of 2021, and then in December of 2022, I switched, or I rebranded to CiSuite. And then the last question that I wanted to answer is, what type of content can you expect to see on this channel? So we will have small business vlogs, of course, like this one, day in the lives, that sort of thing. And then I also plan to do stationery videos because I am a stationery junkie. I love to shop. So you can expect to see hauls of different stationery and planner items, plan with me's, that sort of thing. And then lastly, for my full-time job, I am a project manager in the healthcare industry. So I wanted to incorporate that into the channel as well. So you'll see some day in the life of a project manager. I have a couple of vlogs actually up on the channel already for that. So I plan on doing that and kind of giving you an insight into what it's like to be a project manager in software development for healthcare. Alright guys, so ignore the mess, but the new desk is all put together. I love how it turned out, and you can see that I've missed quite a few spots that I'm going to have to go back and fill in tomorrow, but I think it looks really good. So now I'm going to put my office back in order because I do have to go to work tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is the completed desk setup. I do want to get a new chair, but I haven't figured out which one I want yet, so still have that one for now. I still have quite a bit of cleaning up and organizing to do, but this will at least be good enough for tomorrow. So on that note, I know I'm looking a little bit crazy. It is after 2 o'clock in the morning and I have to get up in a couple of hours, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed learning a little bit about me and about CiSuite and what to expect on this channel. If you did, make sure you subscribe for more content. And also, if you have any tips and tricks on using a sewing machine or any accessories I need, make sure you let me know because I really have no idea what I'm doing. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!